To insert a SIM card in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to grab our device and then look on the bottom side. As you can see right here, we can find the SIM slot. It's this one right there. Now we need to remove it, so grab your SIM ejection tool and then stick it into the gap and push on it until the slot is opened. Now you can remove it with your fingers, and then we need to grab our SIM card. Let's go for this one and align it with the slots on the SIM tray. So in my case it will go like this. Also pay attention to the SIM slot you're putting your card in. If you want to have it in SIM slot number 1, then put it in 1. On the other side there's SIM slot number 2. So now I'm gonna put it in like that, and then we're gonna take my phone again and just put the tray inside of its slot. Then just push on it and our SIM card is inserted. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.